is the moment, tonight is the night.
Taking a look at SwftCoin on the live stream. So wow, we had a nasty sell-off. We had a sell-off for every coin, so it's just not SwftCoin. So just keep that in mind. Now, as far as the targets go, we actually held the uptrend and we're actually holding support. So as we said before, 207 around this area is support, and it does coincide perfectly with this uptrend. So hopefully the selling is done. I mean, the RSI, there is a little bit more selling on here. We might wick and then close under it, which we'll take. We don't need to redraw the targets right now. We don't need to redraw the targets because you're still maintaining structure, but it is kind of, this is kind of pushing it now. It's very close to breaking structure, and if it does, we do need to redraw everything. But as long as it's over this target and as long as it doesn't go below 207 and we get some sort of recovery rally, the targets on the upside are all still valid. You're still in this uptrend, you're still in this channel, you're still making higher highs, you're still making higher lows, you're still validating this trend line, and the targets on the upside would be 1 cent 15, 1 cent and a half, 2 cents 30, and then my bull run target for SwftCoin is still going to be 8 cents, validating this uptrend and this channel. So 8 cents for this higher high, and then anything over that, then we're gonna have to take a look at that. I can't just say SwftCoin to $1, but we'll have to take a look at it once we do break 8 cents 30, kind of like what we did here, and then we eventually broke out here, and then which was the 1618, which we broke out, and then that's where we get our targets. So when we do break this, we'll see how high it goes, and then we'll see the areas that it needs to stay over, and then we could look at the next targets on the upside. But as of right now, as it stands, the chart doesn't need to change, and 8 cents is still my target on the upside. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I will keep you updated, and thank you so much for your support.